Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, and time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we...
Hi friends, happy Saturday, right? Happy Saturday? Yep. We have been out helping some friends all day long that got hit by these tornadoes that came through. They got a lot of damage out to their carport, their garage, their roof, trees, fences. So we've been out there hauling brush and picking up shingles and trash and just all kinds of stuff all day. And James has been cutting things down with the chainsaw, and we've just been work. We had pizza for lunch with everybody over there. Kids had cereal for breakfast. I didn't film any of that, but we are back home now. Miss Maddie and I came up here to the store. I've got to find something to make with dinner. I'm doing breakfast for dinner, and I need a meat to go with dinner. I'm going to do waffles and biscuits and gravy, so I need sausage of some sort, and I don't have anything thawed, and my microwave quit, so I can't thaw anything in my microwave. So we're going to see what we can find in here that isn't outrageously priced.
Happy Saturday!
I don't think you twisted it all the way. No. While Bubba makes the waffles, I'm going to work on the rest of the food. So I am working on some hash brown potatoes. I'm also browning up some sausage for biscuits and gravy. I scrambled up about 2 dozen eggs, and I sliced up some smoked sausage and just browned that up a little bit. And everybody can just pick whatever they want on their plate, and everybody loves breakfast for dinner in our house. Thank you guys so much for coming along with us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time with another new video. Bye.